These are some smoke alarms here at my Canadian Tire. Here's some 460014 zeros, 9070s, fire extinguishers. These ones, 720 BSL A, 7030 BSL A, some alarms. P4010 ACS-WCA, or ACS-CO-WCA, 12010 SCA, CanCO some IVACA, crappy IFR 618 AC units, hate these, I-12010 SCOCAs, 46-0083-4, 460081-8s, that's the one I gave James. P3010Bs, or no, P3010, oh, what is this one? I'm not sure. It looks like a CU but Canadian. Same with this one, I think. No, P3010B, I9010CA, C3010Ds, COEG, COEG, I think it is, 46R0003-6, IBA, BICAs, C3010s, KNCOB DP10Y L, I think, P4010 LDCS-WCA, P4010 DCSCO WCA, I9120BA contractor pack, fire escape ladder. Just to see what else they have. PR700, PRC 700A. Same with that one. Same thing, P3010B. Another one. P30, COB DP10YR, or 10YB, or 10YL, I think. Double check. Yeah. 10YL CA. Same thing. So I might be getting that. Not sure. I'd hope to get something here today. It's not for too much. These ones seem nice, but pretty pricey. These are nice. Don't know if I'll get that. Same as that. T3010 DCA. James has this one, except it's the American model. And I did this one from the 1-year anniversary special. So yeah, I have that. I also gave James that. So yeah, those are the smoke alarms at my Canadian Tire. So yeah.